sa aking piling. Sa maganda. Golden Blade. Hi, Golden Blade. Sir Golden Blade. Good evening. Don't you want to meet you, baby? I need this. Hi, James Round. James Round below. Hello po. Good evening. You okay? I'm fine. Hi, Giordi. Giordi, hello. Giordi. Body Malls. Hi, Body Malls. Hi, Sir Bell. Good evening, Sir Bell. Good morning to you. 9 million. Hi po. Hey, Jerome. Hi, Sheryl. Lollipop. Not Jess. Ano pangalan mo? Ay, naglulipop talaga. Anong pangalan? When can we go? When can we go outside? But why? Where are you from? How are you doing? Ito ko dito sa may ano. Ikaw, pag naglalay ba? Ano sa may ano? Ano yan eh? Ako na lang yun. How are you doing? Oh, baka di pa talaga. I'm doing folding clothes. Try clothes. Thank you po, Sir Bell. Hi, Carson. Sanodin. Hi, Sir Carson. Sir Carson, wait. Aray. Kumate. Okay ko ang aray. Thank you. Ano ba yun? Hi, Mark. Hello from USA. Hi, Mark from USA. Hi, Fred. Fred? Where are you, Fred? Who are you, Fred? Are you Sir Fred? I'm fine, Mark. Sounds like someone playing basketball. Yes, someone's playing basketball outside, but the window closed because I don't want to hear noise. Cheryl, my friend. Hi, Dr. Petrovic. I'm fine. How are you? What part of the Philippines? Bicol province, Philippines. Why? Bicol province, Philippines. Yep. song. I can't remember when we call. That's you. You having a weekend? Yes, pa. Oh, why did you auto-translate your live in English Tagalog when I say that? Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean, sir? What do you mean, Dr. Patrick? Good to hear. Thank you po, Sir Bell. How are you, Sir Bell? Good morning, Sir Bell. You sleep good? What is your age? What is your age? How old are you, Mimi? My age? I'm 41 years old. There is a new gimmick on YouTube. It auto-translates the live broadcast into English, even if our messages are in Tagalog. Oh, really? I don't know about that. Wow, that's great. Autocorrect. Auto-translate. I don't know. You look 25 years old. Really? Thank you. 16 younger. Thank you, Mark. No, I'm not single. I'm not single. She works hard to look like that. Yes, or Belle? You have a yes. Ano ang gusto mo mangyari?
Gusto ko sito.
Ang kiss mo sa dito.
Gusto ko siyang cheese.
Saan?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Cheese!
Cheese? Ang cheese? Sabi mo nga ang tita. Tadang. Sabi ni tita Tadang. Maudang ko siya. Hi, Sir Bell. How are you? Kids doing? Kids, lambing-lambing. To tita. Thank you, Sir Bell.
Tita, ito yung maghatag ka natin kasi ni Kuya Gab.
Bawal hagas. Handful keeping you busy. Yeah, busy. Your kids. Yeah, my niece is ano. Gagawin na lahat ng nalalaman ng we have had some nice weather here in Minnesota. Wow, nice weather. Same here. Suddenly stopped raining and sunny here. Good weather here now. Beautiful weather here. Wonderful. Amazing. Beautiful weather suddenly. Good to hear that. Yes, po. So well. Well, see you later. Thank you po, Sir Bell. See you later, Sir Bell. See you later po, Sir Bell. Thank you for joining. God bless. Have a good day.
Di magwawagi ang kasamaan!
Kung napatala ka, manghatag ka. Dito na. Napapatala ka lang. Luwas. Sir.
ito na. Ito
Diri ko ara. Diwas na rin. Here.
Pwede na yan.
I'm fine. Bex on the Sir.
Ano? Ay, napata.
Balik-balik na. Mapatala ka man pano. Tapos mo. Tama na yun. Tama na yun. Pagkarayo na. Tama na na chicheria.
Ay, tututut.
For 9 people gives the likes. Thank you, Dex from Lucero. Balik-balik ka na yung naliligo. Paano? Patala ka. Aram mo na dito mo para pang kaon. Sige, mapatalahon ka. Pag una, kumapakarin ka. Thank you, Dexon. Taga saan ka, Dexon? Where are you from, Dexon? Prezemek. Hello. Ang hirap naman. Sir Jan! A woman's work is never done. Oh, how are you? I'm fine, Sir Jan. Where are you? How are you? How are you, Sir Jan? Thank you, Sir Jan. Joining here again. Thank you so much po. I'm good po. Good morning. Bulacan is. Okay, Bulacan. Ano mo na ipakita ko sa'yo? What should I show you, Proximed? What should I show you? Show you. My goodness. DJ Ricky. Hi. Nice to meet you po. Nice to meet you too. DJ Ricky, hi. Hello, Brazil. Cariarica. Espiritu Santo. Bakit may ganun? Ang mga Espiritu Santo. Hello. Hello, Kako. Ora. Thank you po. What are you doing, Sir John? Oh my God, scary po. Scary. Hi, Mauricio Almeida. Why is scary po? DJ Ricky, I don't have time to entertain toxic people like you. Sorry. The way you look at the child. Because si ano silly. Oh my God. Kili-kili rebel. Oh, happy? Happy? Kili-kili rebel, happy ka na. Malak. Oh, masaya ka? Masaya? Masaya ka na? No non-swear. Sir Ben! Hi, Sir Ben! Beautiful kilikili. Love it. So happy. Ay, nakko. Paulit-ulit na burak man didisigap. What's happening? Oh my God. And he said, underarm rebel. That's why happy. Yes, in my underarm. Oh my God. Full stop kilikili, ma'am. Sino ka para utusan ako? Hindi nga kita kilala. Wala nga mang pakiusap. Wala kang pakiusap. Oh my God. Kung makautos ka, boss ba kita? I am a subscriber, ma'am. Wala akong pake. Kung subscriber ka, kung wala ka naman moto. Punta ka. Ang dami-daming magagandang channel. Huwag mag-access o walang sa nonsense. Wala akong time sa ganyan. Tell him to go away, yes. That's why I tell him, Sir John, I don't have time to entertain like them. It's too much demanding. My God, he's so demanding. He said, underarm rebel, then I show it, then I said, he commanded me. He said, close up. So, oh my God. He look at me, I'm busy, then I try to entertain them. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Double tap on screen to like, comment, subscribe, support, and share this channel. Thank you, Sir Ben. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are available. Membership are also available, everyone. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir John. My God, he's so demanding. I know he's the one of my ganyan kasi ang mga Pilipino naghahanap ng ikakasira ng kapwa din niya Pilipino. My God. Pinakita na ano po. Pinakita na nga hangad pa. Wala mang pakiusap. My God. Disappointed to you. Kapwa mo lang din naman ang sisira and unswear. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Ben. Kung makademand ka dong, alam ko sino ka sa akin dong, wala ka naman pakiusap. Pinagbigyan ka na, basado ka dong. Don't let it upset you po. You have many friends on here. Yes po, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. That's why a lots of people give the timeout or the ban because of the nonsense. A lots of, oh my god, I have haters. I do nothing. Mm. Oh my goodness. I don't understand why people something like that, Sir John. I don't know po. That's why I said if you don't like me, a lots of beautiful channel, no need to stay here on the channel, not to scroll down and find someone lots of beautiful channel, not only me. No need to magpo-formal, nakaano baga. Hindi rin nagpo-formal, balik-balik. There, Cheryl. How are your father and son? Are they alright? Yes, po, Sir Ben. They're fine. My father is still feel sick, but not like before. He will feel better po. My son is good. He's also good. He's studying well. He's stay healthy. Thank you po. I will see you later po. Oh my God. Thank you po. See you later, Sir John. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you po. God bless. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Good night. Walang iba, kundi walang mo sa magkusita. Wag dyan, may kiliti ako dyan. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Don't wanna let her go. Sorry, Cause it's breaking my heart. Ang daming nangyayari, bakit ka ganyan? Hi, Biglan! Welcome back, Biglan! How are you, Biglan? I was... Thank you, Biglan. Bakit ka ganyan? Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much. Ang daming nangyayari, bakit ka ganyan? Thanks a lot. Coffee. Let's coffee now. Let's coffee po. Hi, Anderson Senior. Hello, hello. Hello. Ang daming nangyayari. Bakit ka ganyan? Camping, hello. Very so fun. Very so fun. Very so fun. Ang daming nangyayari, bakit ka ganyan? I'm fine. I'm fine po. I'm fine. I'm fine. No worries. I just coffee. Oh my God! So sarang horn.
Nasuga?
O aray ko. Ugasan.
Ilalap sa'yo ito na lang. Ba? Anyan to ng kulay ko. No. Sarap man. Puro bis-amo. Sa plaza. Diri. Sa isang plaza. Baka isang kulong sa sa sakay. Kaya na-spray ang almen.
Ang dami.
Ha? Oo, kaya yung kuno niya sa ano. Oo.
Who is the beautiful person in the kitchen? My brother's wife.
Kay ano,
She's my
niya
brother's
kung
wife.
mag-init sa gamay,
What are you
kung
do
siya.
up to?
Dapat malang, ay, sila lang.
Hello, Pwede.
Bari akong tama niya to. Ano yun sa kayo? Kaya. Da! Huwag naman yung tama niyo.
Pero, gulay.
Bilay.
Ano? Benito. Vegetable.
Hi, si Andang. Kay Daddy.
Baganin ito man daw ini na bugas.
Ha?
Baganin ito daw ini.
Bakal na sa bungto?
Nandot daw. Sino daw sa dami bakal?
Dili, may luto dili.
Sige lang. Madali lang.
Bali may halo. Barado pa. Luto na ito. Ay, mo ate ka.
Ah. She married, yes. She married. She's married. Sige. Hi girl, how
Bias? Kaya na ka na. Gusto mo tayo sa gaway?
Sugar, sorry, hi. Rice, vegetable fresh.
Maula lang yung dun sa po. Nangin sabi ko ay lamisa dito. Imutan mo mang gihato. Mama, ikaw na tabi. Luto ng gulay. Apo.
Ano pa eh? Ha? Gulay? Gusto mo gulay?
Why?
Gusto mo gaway? Gusto mo gaway pay? Diri man na da yung pidi sa imo. Diri man na da pidi sa imo. Makaon ka na? Makaon ka?
Pamangkaan? Ha? Meron ka muna tubig. Pag isasiklo ka, ano ka tubig? Kailangan isasiklo. Ha? Aray. Something's telling me it might be you. All of my love, tama lang ang nasa. Guys, gusto mo ba diyan nagulay? Ha? Hinanap mo na. Sili na green.
I've been waiting for Gab, magkaon ka na, Gab. Gasi yun. May perimitos dito ba? May perimitos ba ganito? Ano ka uga? Sole, sole. You're eating here. I wish you were here. What's your food? Ginamit pa yung bibi. Gabantay daw ko na niya na sa anak ko. Gab.
Pagkaon, kapag nakakaon na. Gusto mo na suka, iba suka.
Magkaan ka ba ba? Yeah.
Hindi, may pichay. Pichay. Buka na yung daon. Iba yun. Minsan, puno ko ng Andre. Minsan, talaga.
Minsan okay lang. Ako lang.
Tama lang.
Na-crisis man, Andre.
They're going to eat and they're going to eat. They're going to eat and they're going to eat. They're going to eat and they're going to eat. They're going to
Ay,
eat.
tubusin na yung tubo. Padagos na suon. ng baga ka man, ha? Para tumakata-kata pa?
Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you po, Sir Bell. Food good, vegetable, rice, and fish. Tuyo. Fried dried fish. Food's good.
Gayon na lang paglabas ka kanina ha. Kaya baga hindi naman nakalimutan oran mo.
Nagpuro na?
Gubatog na naman.
Pero di nagpuro sa akin.
Ha?
Kasi di nagpuro sa akin. Baka isa ko si Dada.
Don't wanna let her go. But it's got a hand. Pauwi na ako. Pauwi na ako. Ang daming nangyayari. Bakit ka ganyan? Oh, ano will I do? Need to. Ang daming nangyayari. Bakit ka ganyan? Ang daming nangyayari. Bakit ka ganyan? Don't wanna let her go. Oh my God. Sure. Good to hear. Thank you, Sir Bell. Kalete. Never told you I'm looking to see. Don't wanna let her go.
Kuda muna ako. Go.
Kabaitan na walang limit nagiging dahilan ng pagkalubog. Hindi selfish ang naging stability mo. Kung gusto mong umasenso, hindi mo kailangan pinagin mo din kahit kailangan mo lang matutong maglagay ng limitasyon kasi kung tulong hindi ka hinihila pababa. Tama yun. Ate Sheryl, what's the matter? I'm reading about the motivation that they say hindi umasinso ang mabait. Totoo ba 'yon? Hindi umasinso ang mababait. The kindest person can't My goodness, hindi ito magic pero may isa kang taong tulungan dati na naninira sa'yo ngayon. Tama. Totoo. Paki-share nga. Ma-share ko nga. Bagan mo ako ng God. Naging mapili ako sa babae dati dahil inuna ko muna mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang aking magulang. Tama. Never told you. Rich mindset, broke mindset, lazy, disciplined, find solutions, strong network, clear vision. Broke mindset waits for opportunity to reach. A lazy complains, toxic friends. Tama. Now who is the real? He's not doing his thing long enough to know this. Tomorrow is a mystery. Is again. In his problem, like your own. In friendship. What's the problem now, Ate Sheryl? No problem. No problem. I have lots of problem, but I don't care. Hey girl, beautiful. How are you, my life? Salvador. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung unang araw na nagsimula ako makipag-usap sa'yo without mo yung nangangaling para kita ng sobra. I use the codes just I'm scrolling. My God. Oh, let's scroll. Di mo alam na tatay mo pala yung boss mo. Oh my goodness. Mga pusong nagmamahal pero hindi lahat kaya sa suklian. Tama. Nakakaiyak naman. Huwag matulog ang hindi sapagkat kung paano nyo inatulang yung kapwa, ganun din kayo atulang ng Diyos. Tama. Sorry. I already give you lay. You are two girl most beautiful. Yes. Where are you from, Salvador? Where are you from? Finally, a woman has said it. If you text my boyfriend, I assume he gave you his number so you can text him. If you call him, I think he called you first. If you chill with him, I assume he told you where to find him. I blame him for any conversation and attention he gives. I won't disrespect any lady because she owns me nothing. It's my problem's job to respect me. A real man will never put me in a position to make me look stupid. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Hindi kita itatali kahit hawak mo kita, malaya ka pa rin gawin ang mga gusto mo. Basta yung batas ko. Bawal ka sa iba, ako lang ang pwede mong landiin at sa akin ka lang magpapalandi. Walang yan. Thank you in a way I didn't know I deserve. I was trapped in a cycle of self until you broke it. My days were monotone. This grace can't. You breathe life into. Oh my God, ang bilis. Ano yung longest friendship you ever had? Huwag mong gantihan kasi sayang oras. Huwag kang gaganti kahit sobrang inis mo. Instead pa, napaglaanan mo sila, ano yan, ng oras, gawin mo lahat para maging successful ka. Tama. Hi, Tyrant! Welcome back! You tolling. What are you? What happened to you, Tyrant? Late happy Hearts Day. Happy Valentine's. It's too late. Gawin mo lahat para mag-success kasi the best revenge is being successful. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Si Lord na bahala sa mga gumawa sa'yo ng masama. Tama. Never put me in a situation where I have to show you how cold I can be. I'm a soft person, I'm kind, I care too much, I forgive, even when it hurts. I give a second chances cause I believe people can do better. But even someone like me has limits. If you keep hurting me, if you keep disrespecting me, my God, something in me will change. I will stop caring, I will stop trying, I will not beg for you for your attention, or explain how much it hurts. Oh my gulay! I will just walk away, and when I do, you will realize you lost someone who truly cared. So, do not take my kindness for granted. Because once I am done, there is no going back. That's right. That's what my point. Isa lamang ang gusto kong malaman. Make your intentions clear so we won't waste our time here. I'm here not to play around. I genuinely want to be loved the way I deserve. I son of Ashley and Zach. Oh my God! I made a million mistakes, but God didn't judge me, people then. Europeans, hi Europeans, hello, thank you sa nag-like. Don't judge ng naman. They may have chosen wrong in love, but they choose right by never giving up on their kids. Pagod, puyat, pero lumalaban. That's not weakness, that's real strength. The worst kind of man is not the one who cheats. It's the one who pretends to be a good man, but in reality, he's a liar, a manipulator, and a master of playing the victims. It's the one who lies so well you stop doubting your own truth. Who twist your words, plays with your emotions, and convince you that you're the problem. The man who always plays the victim usually has the most to hide. Keep that in mind. Hi, Craig Smith. It's been a while since I've seen you. Seen you. You are doing well. Yes, boy. Repeat. Point of view. Just because I post a lot about God doesn't mean I'm holier than you. I sin, I struggle, I face challenges too. But every day God carries me through it all. I love this quotes. I love this. If I could go back, I wouldn't let myself fall for you, my God. Not because I didn't love you, but because I love you too much. Aray ko. You are charming. Thank you, you kids. My love for you became my greatest weakness. It brought me joy, yet it also broke me in ways I never imagined. I sacrificed, I gave, I poured everything into us. And in the end, it was my own heart and paid the price. Wow, sana all. Promise yourself, no matter how bad people treat you, never be a bad person for revenge. Being kind, God knows everything till you're hurt. Alright. God's plan for you is always the best. Nakita ko Diyos kung paano katulad ng mga tao na kaya binigyan ka niya ng supporting galing sa iba. I love this. I love this quotes. So much you want. Thank you for walking into my life when I didn't even know I needed someone. Thank you for making me laugh when I didn't think I could. Thank you for understanding, for seeing me, for supporting me. Thank you for making me feel like I'm enough, even on my worst days. I scroll from the Facebook. I love this quotes. Sorobang gali kong pasaya, hindi ko lang gets kung bakit mas pinili. Waray. Finally meeting that person. Don't be still know what I am. You are my refuge, my shop, my unbelief. Dinami-rami ng aking minahal. Sa bawat pakiramdam, umbot. Call of God. Oh my God. Pag sumampa ka ng 30 years old, malalaman mo na happiness not about thing. Akala ko dati ang happiness na bibili sa bahay, sa kotse, sa relos, negosyo, sa lahat ng investment, sa mga condo, properties. O masaya kapag nakuha mo na, pero ilang araw lang, minsan ilang linggo, tapos mawala rin din sa parang saya lang siya. Kahit marami ka ng ipon, kahit mayaman ka na, parang may kulang pa din. Parang may nahanap ka din na hindi mabili. Doon ko na-realize na ang totoong happiness wala pala sa gamit na sa tao. Nasa mga kasama mo sa buhay. Yung pag-isip mo sa mga alam mo kung anong araw, alam mo kung nasaan ka. At marunong kang magpasalamat sa mga taong nagmamalasakit sa'yo, sa mga taong mahal mo, at mahal ka pabalik. Aray ko!
You'll never know.
Aray ko. Tapos ang pakilig-kilig. Oh, mahal kita. Say hi po, Kuya Dre. Thank you. Kuya Jollibee. Jollibee. Thank you, Sir Bell. What's up? Jollibee, Jollibee, Jollibee. Thank you for the likes. You have sweet smile. Thank you po, Sir Bell. Jollibee, how's your jowa? How are you with your jowa? Are you okay with your jowa? I think you like Jollibee. Yes po, I love Jollibee. I like Jollibee. I love Jollibees. Sir Bell. That's why Kuya Dre calling me Jollibee. When I tampo ni Jollibee. Yes po, Sir Bell. Alright. No, Jollibee, I don't have jowa anymore. Oh my God. I feel sad for you, kuya. Pay naman. My God. Kuya Dre, why no jowa anymore? My God. Why no jowa? My God. No jowa anymore na. I felt sad about you, kuya. Aray ko. B. Tara, 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 tara. Tara, 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 tara. Must be hard with the noise all day. Yes po. Yes, Sir Bell. I was sad but not anymore. Oh my God. I felt sad about you, kuya. Yes, sayang naman. Sayang for the time with ano. I felt sad. Ah yes, outside they play basketball. It hurts you. It hurts you. Yeah. It hurts me. The noisy. They're playing all day. You're looking good today. Thank you po, Sir Bell. I'm looking good. Thank you, Sir Bell. Aray. Ouch. What ouch? Why ouch? Ouch. Playing. sa ini. Wow, so nice. So nice ba? So nice ka dyan. Ay, sayang. Sayang. Sayang na, oh yes. Sayang na, sayang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pagmamahal na di mo. Oh. Sayang. Where are the kids? Playing outside po, the kids. How is your niece? My niece is just so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Ah, hap. Ouch. Are you a married friend? Yes or no? Not yet married. Not yet married. Thank you, 7 million. I'm playing Tong Ets. Ay, sorry. I'm loose. Loose. Jollibee, my jowa and I disagreement started about YouTube channel. Disagreement? Why? What happened? What? Because of trust issue, maybe. Having a trust issue with jowa. Because a lot of YouTube channel, you talk a lot, so that's why. It depends on you if you're cheating with them, but I think you are loyal. But some are cheating because you talk a lot. And most they meet new one, something like that. What happened? Are you disagree or is she disagree? Hi, Roll Paris. When you said I'm fine, Raul. I'm fine. Nanalo ako. Oh. Nanalo ako. I was very loyal, but she said a lot, even said bad words. Maybe just for sometimes unintentionally. Maybe just because she just mad, but he loves you. She loves you. Yes, she loves you po. Yes, I'm not win. I'm lose again. She loves your jowa. She loves you, kuya. Maybe she just protective. She just very protective because she's afraid losing you. That's why. Maybe you need you misunderstand. Ah, ganon. Lots of odds. Ang daming nangyayari, bakit ka ganyan? Tuwan on siya, bilis. Oh no. Talo. Talo na naman. I will stay single for a while. Oh my god. If one day God bless me with a new one, we will do YouTube together. Yes, that's right. In God's will, Kuya, it will happen. Maybe your jowa, I just want to, private life, something like that. Because YouTube, a lots of, different YouTube. talo. Hey, Sir Jamie Moore. Good afternoon. Hi, what, Sir Jamie? I'm on the live. I'm on the live. Good morning. Kuya Dre, Mike on the phone. Kuya. Sir Jamie, hi po. Hi, mommy. Ming, 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 ming. Good morning. Good morning, Mike. From Sir Jamie Moore. Sir Jamie Moore. So, Mike. Mike. This. This shy. He's shy. Oh my God. Good morning, daw. Hey. Hello. Hello. Mike. Soplado. Oh my God. Mike. Good morning. Sir Jamie said. Huh?
I can't see anything. There's no video.
Sana all. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you, Sir Jamie po. Shy Mike, yes po.
Let me see.
Sir Jamie. She don't, no, she don't look at the cam. On the cam, my God. My God. My gulay. Hi po. Hello. Ayaw niya. He don't like. I don't like. My good. Hello everyone. My God. My gulay. My gulay. I'm jealous now. Hello, pretty Sheryl. She's talking to me on the chat, but she's not talking to me on the account. My gulay. Watching me. My gulay. Still feel cold there, Mike? Mommy, Mike?
Yeah, it's still cold.
Mike is live. Sir Jamie.
I have no video.
No video?
No.
Why?
I don't know. You must have it turned off.
Ah, okay.
Like a cry from freezing.
Freezing? Freezing? Freezing. Mike freezing. Hi, Jamie from Sir Bell. Hey, twin from Sir Jamie. Where's Golden? Maybe he's still sleeping. Who are you talking? Mike. I'm talking my mic. It's not on the mic. The mic. Breakfast? Breakfast done? Nakabulyo. Hi, I am Belle. Mike. Twincito said his bell. Sir Bell. Cheryl, you know Aprillen? Aprillen? Why? Why po? Who's
Mrs. Moneymaker.
Aprillen? Twin sister. Twin sister.
Berlin, Mrs. Moneymaker.
I'm sad again now. Why, Kuya Dre? Why, you know? Why po, Sir Bell? Why, Sir Bell? She YouTuber. Ah, okay, she YouTuber. Maybe we can be friends. I will search po. Just wondering. Yes po. Just wondering. Why? Wondering. I will search Aprilin. 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 When is Mike coming over? Next month, Sir Jamie Moore. Next month. Mrs. Overthinker. Ah, okay. Oh my gosh, she is. Mrs. Overthinker. Her name is Aprilin. Okay, I will search her po. Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. That's great. She's your friend, Sir Bell. She does live also. Ah, really? Yes. I will visit her po. But I'm not always because I'm busy. If I have a time, I will visit her live. But I will search her po. Someday all of it gonna be alright. That's okay. Thank you, Sir Bell. Para pa pam tiki tiki dang. Don't wanna let her go. Just thought that all Jimmy and Golden go to her live. Ah, okay. Mike has gotten quiet, yes. Atin gone. Sir Jimmy. Quiet Mike. Mike, quiet. That's how I know them. Ah, okay. You both are friends, but nice to meet you po. You have a Filipino YouTuber po. Thank you for supporting Filipino YouTuber. Thank you po. That's how I know them. Okay. Yes, Mike, nothing has changed. That's good. Kuya are still fighting with your girlfriend. Oh my God, they are fighting. Need more Jollibee, Kuya Dre, for the jowa. No more fighting na. Stop fighting na. No more tampo-tampo na. February is a Hearts Day. No more tampo. You need to, so your jowa. So is Mike your boyfriend? Yes pa. Mike! Sir Bell, he is. He feels shy po. He feels shy. Oh yeah, that's where I know twin. Yeah. Mike, he feels shy on cam. He don't like on cam. Maybe their parent cam he like. He quiet. Tell him he is like a man. Thank you, Sir Bell. I hope he think like that. Mike, are you a lucky man? Huh?
I'm the luckiest man on earth.
He's the lucky man on earth. He said, oh my God. My hair is go faster. My God, something like ano. My goodness, Jollibee.
My goodness, God.
Kuya, woman always wins. So, if you make her mad, she will be tampo. More tampo, Kuya Dre. He's working on his phone. You lose happy. I think if you oh my God, I don't know how to explain. If you know, if you golden, if you're if golden, if you know golden is your friend, he will know my story about my past. We have a that's why he know about me here on YouTube. Sometimes he's the counselor. Sometimes when I'm mad, when I'm sad, the last year happens last year. That's why.
How's that?
Last year is my strongest version of me. A lot of I'm happy po. Hi, Sir Mark. Thank you for joining po. I'm happy you're happy now. Thank you, Sir Bell. I'm happy po. Happy life.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yes, happy wife, happy life. Happy wife, happy life. Thank you po, Sir Bell. Mike, I've done nothing wrong. Very loyal man for you. But sometimes things I say that you can come back from. I feel I wasted 2 years of my life. Oh my God. Oh my God. What if happens to me? Oh my God. I'm overthink now. that hard for me to keep my wife happy. Me, I'm not, I'm just a simple happiness. So, no need to no need more effort, just stay loyal, something like that. So I'm not a lot. You're not a lot. Wow, Kuya, so sorry to hear that. Maybe take some time apart and see what happens. Me, the things that makes me, not happy. It the words can hurt me. Ay, bye bye. Oh, how should I say? Sorry, I'm not good in English. That's why it's really difficult for me to speak how to say it. And but I want to see something, but I don't know how to say it. Hi, Craig Smith. Is it okay? Thank you, Sir Bell. I will sing to you. Da-da-da-da-da. At sabihin pa ka lang sa'yo. Ang dami mo kasumpa. Ako is itik. Practice speaking and new language. Yes po, Sir Bell. The lights, you had the winter song when you said that you would never leave me. Where, wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. You eat your breakfast? You eat your breakfast? Hello? What are you doing?
Yet.
Hmm?
No breakfast yet.
Not
Just
yet.
woke up.
I just woke up.
Still trying to wake up.
Where's does Mike live? No, she watching my he just watching my live, and while I'm doing live, I make a video call while I'm doing live. That's why.
He wants to know where I live.
Live. Okay, where do you live? I thought that. Sorry. Where? Pennsylvania, USA.
Eastern Pennsylvania.
Eastern.
Yes.
Eastern Pennsylvania. I'm sad about what happened, Mike. Time heals everything, but as of now, I'm broken man. Oh, broken man. Just fighting, no third party. Kuya, no third party, like your jowa having a flirting with someone, no, nothing like that. Or no jealousy, or just tampo-tampo, kuya. Kuya Dre have a fighting with her jowa, with his jowa. May gulay. I need to end the live because I need to talk my man. Maybe he's not comfortable. Thank you so much po, Sir Bell, Sir Jamie. Kuya Dre, We'll talk later po. God bless. God bless you po. Love you guys. I need to talk this my man because it's not comfortable. You have time. Bye. Thank you, Sir Bell. Kuya, is she a Filipino girl? Maybe she has other man. I think it's not. No, my girlfriend lives in Chambersburg pa. Sir Mike, Sir Jamie, her girlfriend lives in Chambersburg. Oh my God, Chambers.
Oh, yes. Yeah, yes.
Chambersburg. Yan, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. Yes, Mike, she's a Filipina. Oh. What? Maybe no third party, kuya. No third party. Your jowa having an affair with another man? No. Mike's might think Mike think your jowa have another man. Oh my God. Kuya, Sir Jamie mo, where's your wedding? Maybe you can invite us. Because when we married, we invite you. Charot. When we're getting married, we invite you. You had time. Thank you pa. Aray. Kuya Dre. Bye, Cheryl. Bye-bye pa. Thank you. God bless.